because because I'm very, very proud of the job I'm doing. Yes, my people, it's your boy MrCV. I'm back with another very, very special video for you guys. And literally I'm about to go sleep, and I thought, listen, I needed to make this video. And this video was born out from something I saw within myself, and I actually witnessed, and I said, look, it's quite important to speak on this thing. And for me, this video, I'm going to put it as, be proud of whatever job you're doing. Be proud of whatever job you're doing. It doesn't matter whether you're a bin man, whether you're a cleaner, whether you're a doctor, lawyer, whatever job you're doing, be proud of your job. Because literally a couple weeks ago I went to an event, and this event was about meeting different people. And within this event, it was filled with so many people. We was in a table, and people were asking, what job do you do? I said the job I did. And another guy that was next to me, they asked him, what job does he do? And he said he does accounting. And I was just like, oh, fair enough, no problem. Because I'm not a person that I look at what job people do and use that to judge them. I'm a person where I care about the person rather than the job they're doing. Over time, as the event went on, over time I built rapport with the guy that was next to me, and then he confided in me and actually told me that, oh, he doesn't do accounting, but he does this job. But he just said accounting because he felt as if he's in the event, that's how he's going to get accepted. And it was just a shame to me. I just left and I thought, wow, that's a big shame. Why do you have to lie about the job you're doing just to be accepted? But then the more I thought about it, it's not something I condone, but within that setting I can understand. Because a lot of the time, especially I'll say as a black community, and I'll say even Asian community, there's this stigma attached to the kind of job you're doing. There's this stigma attached to the kind of prestige of job people doing. So for that reason, people feel, oh, whatever job they're doing, oh, I don't want to say that job because people might not even entertain me, or people might not even look at me. So let me lie about this job. And it's a big shame, because the guy told me he does accounting. But imagine, let's say for example, he was about to marry someone, for example, and he does so and so job. But then he said to them that he said he does accounting. And then all of a sudden, the person who was about to get married to said, oh, you know what? My sister's got a problem and she needs a self-assessment form to be filled. Do you mind helping her with it? And then, because you lied that you do accounting and you don't, and then you can't fill out the self-assessment form, it's going to be embarrassing. Or you tell her, oh, I'm going to work as an accountant. All of a sudden, she sees you out on the streets, maybe cleaning the streets or doing some other job. She's gonna feel very disappointed. Like, so when the guy told me, wow, like I said, I had to think about it. I thought, wow, like, why would he lie to the job? And I've done similar videos before in the past where I said, when I meet someone, sometimes I tell them I'm a cleaner just to see how their reaction is. And one of the main reasons, because the kind of community we come from, there are so many people that are very judgmental about the title of the job that people are doing, rather than finding out who that person is. And it's a big shame. It's a big shame for someone to go and lie about the job he does. It's a massive shame. But then also, I want to take this to religiously as well. As a Muslim, let's say for example you're about to marry someone, or you're with this person, and you lie to the person about the job you're doing, or you gave the girl a certain impression about the type of lifestyle that you're going to give to her. And then when she now gets married to you and you can't provide that kind of lifestyle, as a Muslim or in Islam, that kind of situation can warrant a divorce. If she puts in a divorce, that's actually acceptable because you basically lied to her. But I'm not going to take it to that aspect, to be honest with you. I'm going to look at it from a worldly point of view. For me personally, that's why I said this video is very important in terms of being proud of the job you're doing. Look, there's certain things you can't force. You can't force people to like you. You can't force people to like you. There's some people that watch my videos, some people like it because they just like to hear my voice. Some people like it because they like the kind of information I give them. Some people might like it for other reasons. But whatever reasons they like my videos, that's up to them. I can't force people, or you can't force people to like you. So for me, the best thing is to be honest. Be honest. personally. Be honest about the job you're doing, but not just be honest, be proud of the job you're doing. Like a lot of people, depending on where you've met me or where people have known me for, some people have met me as a teacher, some people have met me as doing other jobs, and for me, automatically people assume that, oh, because I'm a teacher, blah blah blah, that's what's made me who I am today. But that's not true. That is not true. The jobs that's made me who I am today are jobs such as hospitality, which I did, which I grinded, and it pushed me. Yes, the teacher gave me the title, but those jobs, like I said, those hospitality jobs, those cleaning jobs, those other jobs, they've made me what I am today, and I'm very appreciative of those jobs. I still do those jobs once in a while, just so that to remind myself that, look, just to keep myself humble, that look, I know how far I've come. But for me, I will always be proud of the job I'm doing, or I'll always be proud of those jobs, and I have no shame in telling people that I did those jobs. I have no shame in telling people that I still do those jobs, because I'm very, very proud of the job I'm doing. And look, if I was to meet someone and I told them that this is the job I'm doing, and they turn around, they don't even entertain me or they don't even like me, then fair enough, I'll let them go. I'm happy to let people go. And I think it's very, very important for people to be honest and be proud of the job they're doing. Whatever job you're doing, be proud of it. Don't look down on yourself. Don't feel like don't feel like you're less of a person. I know some people, the kind of mentality they have, they feel like they're less of a person, they're less of a man or woman just because they do certain jobs, or because of the society will not accept them for the kind of jobs they're doing. Also, for me, if you keep focused on the title or the job people are doing, you're gonna miss out on the qualities that the person actually has. And it's the same way I tell people when I know a lot of guys, where they focus on the girl's looks, oh, she looks like this, she looks like that, and I tell them, look, you have to focus on the person as a package, as a whole. Because if you just focus on looks, there are some qualities of the person that you're gonna miss, because literally all you've done is just looked at one aspect of them and just judge them. And it's the same with guys as well. If you just focus on the guy, on the title of the job the guy does, or what the job the guy does, and you don't get to know who he is or how he is as a person, his personality, then there are some qualities of the guy that you're going to miss. Because as humans, we don't have all the qualities in the world. Everyone is lacking something. The person you get with, they could help you in terms of that qualities. The qualities you're lacking, they might have those qualities. That's what makes you equal. Like I said, be proud of the job you're doing. Be proud of the job you're doing. If I was to go to Tesco and I was to buy bread, for example, if I'm at the cash machine, they're not going to ask me, oh, is it doctor's money you're spending? Is it accounting money you're spending? Is it cleaning money you're spending? As long as you've got money, they're happy to sell you the product. And what my point is, the reason why I'm mentioning this point is, it's important to look at the person for who they are, rather than the job or the title they're doing. It's very sad, it's very depressing that a person like this has to lie that he does this kind of job. Yes, if he lies and he successfully lies, he might get what he wants. But I'm telling you now, that's not gonna last at all. There's no way it's gonna last, because you haven't done it in a truthful manner. So it's better to be honest. And look, if you're honest about what you're doing, and you're proud of what you're doing, and you know what you're doing is you're doing it with integrity, you're doing it with your whole heart, then I don't see the reason for you to lie about the job you're doing. I try my best to be as honest as possible, but also not just being honest, I work with integrity. Now some of you might not know what integrity is. Integrity is doing things as if people are looking, and it's important that you work with integrity. If you choose to go to work, I see a lot of people, they choose to go to work, they start complaining, start shouting, I don't like this job, I don't like. Nobody forced you to go and do the job. If you don't like the job, change your job. It's simple as that. It's not as simple as that. But if you're gonna go to work every day complaining that you don't like the job, nobody has forced you to go and take that job. So if you're really not happy about the job, then you can always change, or you can always look for something that you're happy with. But what I do want people to know is, whatever job you're doing, whatever you're doing, whatever job you're doing, and you're happy with it, Be proud of your job. Be proud of your job. Be proud of it. If people ask you what job do you do, be proud of it. Come out boldly and say, this is the job I do, and stand by it. He takes a level of confidence. It takes a level of honesty for people to come out and actually say, look, this is the job I do. Whether people like me for the job I do, or whether people think less of the job I do, I know I can stand within myself and say, look, this is the job I do, and I'm proud of the job I do. I'm very, very proud of the job I do. I'm being proud of the job we do. And like I said, for me, my advice to the guy, when that happened, I said to him, I said, look, it's better, go and be honest about your job. But then I'm not judging the guy as well, because I actually understood why he lied about the job he's doing, because I know the kind of community he is in. The kind of community he's in, there's a lot of judgments about, especially when it comes to males or men, there's a lot of judgment about the type of job you're doing. And when you tell them certain type of jobs you're doing, people have already dismissed you, people have already looked down on you as if you're nothing. And we need to start changing this mentality, and we need to start changing it. Sometimes I might sound naive, as if I don't know what's going on around the world, or maybe I just have a positive mindset. But for me, it's important that you're proud of the job you're doing. And look, if you tell someone, if you're honest to someone that this is the job I'm doing, and they dismiss you or don't like you, then I don't think you need to rush. Just have a bit of patience. I am sure there's going to be people out there that's going to appreciate your honesty, that's going to like you for who you are, and that's going to really want to work with you. And if you're a hard-working person, you're working hard, you're not doing things illegally, you're working hard for your money, then I don't see the reason why you should start dodging and not be proud of the job you're doing. So listen, whatever job you're doing, like I said, whether cleaning, whether doctor, whether lawyer, whether hospitality, whether retail, and whatever jobs you're doing, be proud of the job you're doing. I know we live in a society where, especially on males, people are judged on the kind of jobs they do. But regardless of the job you do, be proud of yourself. It's not easy to keep a job, trust me, it's not easy. There's a lot of jobless guys out here. Lots of jobless guys out here. Not just guys, but lots of jobless girls and guys out here. And for you to keep a job, for you to go to work every day, working your ass off, making sure you make ends meet, why should you not be proud of the job you're doing? Why should you feel afraid? Why should you be scared? Come out and be proud of, be bold, be confident that this is the job I do, and stand on it, regardless of what people are saying. Listen, my people, it's your boy MrCV. I don't want to take your time. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you're proud of whatever job you're doing, and I hope you're confident, you're bold enough to come out and say, look, regardless of what people are going to say, this is the job I'm doing. If you like me as a person, and you like me for who I am, then like me for the job I'm doing as well. And if it's down to my job that you're going to dismiss me, then fair enough, I guess you're not for me. It's simple as that. Anyways, it's your boy MrCV. I'm going to leave it right there. Have a good night, or have a good morning, or wherever you are. Have a good day, and keep tuning on for more videos, and I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. Just the final part is all. We just reached our target of 800 subscribers, and trust me, 800 subscribers might feel very small to some people. I know some people have 100,000 subscribers. I know some people have millions of subscribers, but I'm not looking at that. I'm just doing my own thing at my own pace. 800 subscribers is a lot, and like I said, by the end of the year, my target is to push 1,000 subscribers. So we need 200 more people to reach 1,000 by the end of the year. And when we do reach 1,000, a new content is coming out for you. So people, keep sharing the video, keep liking, keep subscribing, and let's reach our target before the end of this year. And I appreciate all your support, I appreciate all your help, and definitely keep supporting your boy MrCV. Have a nice day. Ciao.